Hey everybody, I'm just doing a little test here because I recently published an article about how AI and authors are changing the marketing game by AI is pulling up the search requests from people because that's the way generally things are being used now rather than the Google classical SEO or index search, should I say. And this is a great example. So I just realized this is on my Wix website and it comes up with the AI visibility overview. This is exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to books now. So this is a good example via the website version. So it says, see how often your site is mentioned or cited by AI in response to potential user questions. And then it's got a list of questions here. Sorry about the dog. And then it talks about mentioned or not mentioned. It's got the different versions. So ChatGPT, Gemini, and I can never say this, Prexability, whatever that is. So it's got not mentioned, and then it's got top sources by reference. So the websites that are being referenced or cited by the AI indexing or search results, and then competitors by visibility score. So this is basically exactly what is going to be shown up on your book searchings. This is why we need to get ahead of the game and figure out how we get our books listed. So it's got areas for improvement there, and it's generally positive, and get explanation of the show. So I think as much as there was one or two people that replied to the Substack article saying that it's a bit of a hit or miss thing. We just stay as we are. We can stay as we are, but we are going to be missing out on a lot of people that are searching through AI rather than the typical, Google searches. Even on a normal web search now, it comes up as AI results. So it's really in our interest as authors to get on top of this and to make sure that when people are searching through AI, it's our books that are being shown rather than everyone else's, because that's the only pretty much the direct reason or way that people are now searching for books. So this is your heads up. I'll be shouting about it for a while until everyone realizes that's the way it's going. People are going to be left behind. So get your bios all optimized, get your Amazon bio, social media, Amazon author page up to date. Make sure you're detailed about what your books include. And hopefully you'll start picking up more search results on AI and they'll recommend you rather than someone else.